Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make Nan Khatai today. Line two large baking trays with parchment paper and set them aside. Let's quickly see the ingredients. 1 cup of lightly melted ghee, 2 cups of all-purpose flour sifted, 1 cup of sugar grounded, 1/4 cup of each roasted pistachios and almonds roughly chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, half a teaspoon leavened baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of saffron. Mix all the dry ingredients very well. Dry ingredients are very well combined. Now add ghee and mix. Knead until it forms a soft dough. Cover this dough and refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Preheat oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. This recipe will make 30 cookies. Roll about a tablespoon of dough into round shaped ball. Press a little between your palms to give it a patty-like shape. Make an indentation in the center with your finger. Place them 2 inches apart on a baking tray. Place nuts of your choice in the center and press gently. If you want different shapes of Nan Khatais, then roll out the dough to 1/2 inch thickness. Cut out the cookies using a cookie cutter. If you feel the dough is very soft and the ghee is melting, then place this dough in the refrigerator for a few minutes. Once the dough is chilled, you can continue forming the cookies. You can see the dough is becoming very soft. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in the refrigerator just for a few minutes. The oven is preheated. I'm going to go ahead and bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they are firm to touch and easily slides off the parchment paper. Okay friends, these are perfectly baked. Cool them on a wire rack before serving. Store them in an airtight container. Thank you for watching, friends. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.